If you close your eyes, you can hear Saigon before you see it. Not the buildings, not the skyline, but this sound. The sound of thousands of motorbikes waking up with the city. For generations, it has been the soundtrack of Saigon, and one day it may disappear. Today, there are more than 8 million motorbikes in Saigon. In some districts, there are more bikes than people. Saigon was built for two wheels. Cars may stop at the entrance of an alley, but a motorbike can take you right to your front door. In the 1950s and 60s, Saigon fell in love with scooters. Vespa and Lambretta arrived with the French, becoming symbols of style and modern life. By the late 1960s, Japanese bikes like the Honda Cup and Honda 67 began to replace them. Later came the Honda Dream, Yamaha Sirius, and many other models. For many families, it was never just a machine, it was memory. The first bike your father bought, the bike your mother rode you to school on as a child, the bike that stood outside the front door for 20 years. In Saigon, motorbikes are not just transportation, they can be the family vehicle, a delivery bike, a taxi, a flower shop, a place to sit, to wait, even to nap for a few minutes at noon. Only in Saigon can one small bike carry almost an entire life. Life on two wheels became so distinctive that it inspired the famous photo book Bikes of Burden by Hans Kam, capturing what Vietnamese people carry on their motorbikes. From flowers and furniture to an entire market stall, the book became loved around the world because it captures something real. In Saigon, a motorbike is not just a machine, it is a part of everyday life. There is a feeling that only exists when you sit on the back of a motorbike in Saigon. Warm night air, the smell of rain, the city moving on around you. For many visitors, this is the moment they truly fall in love with Saigon. But the city is changing. New metro lines are appearing. Electric buses, more cars, more buildings. Maybe one day, this endless stream of motorbike will slowly grow smaller. Maybe one day, children will look at an old Honda Dream the way we look at an old train. Something beautiful, but belonging to another time. A Saigon with a fewer motorbikes may be cleaner, quieter, easier to live in, but what will disappear with them? The sound of a father taking his child to school, the echo of engines on the repair shop on the corner, the flower bike of a woman crossing the city. Motorbikes are not just part of traffic, they are part of Saigon's memory. Maybe the future is not a city without motorbikes, but one where the metro and motorbike exist together. A city that changes and must choose what should be kept. And that is exactly what Saigon Remix hopes to capture. Not only the Saigon of the past or the Saigon of today, but also the Saigon of the future. a city that's still waiting ahead. A city that will keep changing, street by street, year by year. And perhaps the most important questions is not what Saigon will become, but what part of its soul we must hold on to before it quietly disappears.